Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for med school exams step by step. First, thoroughly understand your exam's format and content. This helps you focus your efforts effectively. Next, develop a realistic study schedule and commit to it. Consistency is key to success. Finally, prioritize high-yield topics. These are the concepts most likely to appear on your exams, ensuring you maximize your study time. Now let's talk about active learning. Don't just passively read, actively engage with the material. Utilize active recall methods such as flashcards or practice questions to test your knowledge. Try explaining complex concepts aloud as if you're teaching someone else. Even better, teach topics to your peers. This process helps you identify any gaps in your understanding and reinforces what you've learned.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to relax or stay focused. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Effective resource management and review are crucial. Make extensive use of question banks. They are invaluable for practice and familiarization with exam styles. When you get an answer wrong, don't just move on. Review incorrect answers thoroughly to understand the underlying concepts and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Also, integrate spaced repetition into your study plan for superior long-term retention of information. Studying for medical school exams is demanding, so maintaining your well-being is paramount. Ensure you get adequate sleep and proper nutrition. These are vital for optimal brain function and concentration. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and mental fatigue. Finally, engage in stress-reducing activities like exercise or hobbies to keep your mind fresh and focused throughout your study period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.